In this video, I will show you how to buy cryptocurrency on Binance using the P2P system on the Binance app in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is, of course, open up the Binance application. Next, what you're going to want to do from the home screen, you should have the option for P2P trading. So you can see the box here. So what you want to do is press onto that. And from here, you want to make sure you're clicked onto buy. So you can see you've got two options, buy and sell. So you want to make sure you clicked onto buy. And underneath buy, you're going to click onto the type of cryptocurrency that you're looking to buy. So for example, in this tutorial, we're going to look at USDT. What you can then do is scroll through a list of available peers that are currently selling this cryptocurrency. You can see information next to each vendor, such as the types of payments they can accept. So this one at the top, Noble Digital, for example, you can pay by bank transfer, faster payments, Revolut, and so on and so forth. And you can see the different rates offered and the limits on how much you can buy. So you can just scroll through and select a peer that you want to buy from. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select Noble Digital. So what you then want to do is click the green buy button. And what you can do, you can either pay with fiat, so a local currency like euros or Great British pounds, or you can choose to pay by crypto. So what you want to do is choose, and in this example, I'm just going to go for fiat, which will be Great British pounds. And then what you want to do is enter the amount that you want to buy. For the purpose of this one, you can see the minimum amount this peer is asking for is 1,000. So what we'll do is put 1,000 in, which is going to get us 1,270.65 USDT. Next, go ahead and press the green button. You can see it says buy with 0.3. There's no fee for this. And of course, it's just a quick notice to say that if you're not familiar with P2P, it's better to start with a smaller amount. But if you're happy to go ahead and click continue. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to say that the order is created. So what you can now do is check the seller's information and chat with the seller. It's currently held by Escrow, which is a payment holding service. So that'll be held in there. It's a very secure system, which when you've paid the seller, they'll be able to send that through. And you do get a bit of a countdown. So you can see it says pay the seller within 42 minutes and 21 seconds. So what you can do, as I say, you can chat by clicking the button here. That's going to give you the chance to chat with the seller. Or if you just want to go ahead and make the order, then just scroll down and click the yellow make payment button down here. So that's how to buy cryptocurrency on the Binance app using the P2P system in 2023. If this tutorial did help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.